In this question, it is given that if the sum of all the solutions of this equation where x lies between -1 and 1, x is non-zero, is alpha minus 4 by root 3, then alpha is equal to dash. You have to fill in the blank. Before I do this question, I will say remember the formula tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse x if x lies between -1 and 1. Note that when x is greater than 1 or when x is less than -1, the formulas are different. In this question, the case of x greater than 1 or x less than -1 is not coming, therefore this question will be easy. I also agree that it's very difficult to remember so many formulas. As in the case of this, there will be 3 formulas. For x greater than 1, one formula will be there. Between -1 and 1, second formula will be there. For x less than -1, third formula will be there. Similarly, in the case of sin inverse 2x or cos inverse 2x, etc., so many cases are there, and it is very difficult to remember so many formulas under different conditions. But if you see my video lecture of inverse trigonometry, I have explained the way of dealing with the questions of x greater than 1 or x less than -1 very easily without even using the formulas. What are those tricks that are explained in my video lecture of inverse trigonometry of JEE level? And second point to be noted in the solution of this question is tan inverse x equal to cot inverse 1 by x. This formula is valid only if x is greater than 0, or cot inverse x equal to tan inverse 1 by x. This is valid only if x is greater than 0. And to deal with the questions of tan inverse x when x is less than 0, you will not be required to remember one more formula. I use those tricks which I have explained in my video lecture of inverse trigonometry. With the help of those tricks, you can deal with the x less than 0 also very easily without remembering the formula for x less than 0. Because x is lying between -1 and 1, this can be written as directly 2 tan inverse x. But note that it will be written as tan inverse this upon this only if this whole thing is positive. Therefore, I will have to divide this expression into 2 parts. One part when x is lying between 0 and 1, second part when x is lying between -1 and 0. Therefore, for x greater than 0, it is already 2 tan inverse x. Therefore, it is 2 tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Note that I have taken x greater than 0 and x less than 1 is already given to us. Hence, in next step, I will be writing it as 2 tan inverse x. This is equal to pi by 3. It is also 2 tan inverse x. Therefore, I get 4 tan inverse x equal to pi by 3. That is tan inverse x equal to pi by 12. That is x is tan pi by 12, and tan pi by 12 means tan 15 degree. And you must be knowing that the value of tan 15 degrees is 2 minus root 3 and tan 75 is 2 plus root 3. Similarly, take the next case when x lies between -1 and 0. The first part will become 2 tan inverse x. But this cannot be written as tan inverse this upon this because x is negative. Therefore, what trick I use? I take x equal to minus t, and because x is lying between minus 1 and 0, therefore t will lie between 0 and 1. And once the value of t is known to us, we will be able to find the value of x very easily. Hence my question becomes tan inverse minus 2t upon 1 minus t square plus cot inverse 1 minus t square upon minus 2t equal to pi by 3. That is, it is minus tan inverse 2t upon 1 minus t square plus, as we know the formula, cot inverse minus x is pi minus cot inverse x. Hence this can be written as pi minus cot inverse 1 minus t square upon 2t equal to pi by 3. That is, I get minus tan inverse 2t upon 1 minus t square minus tan inverse 2t upon 1 minus t square equal to minus 2 pi by 3. That is, I get 2 tan inverse t plus 2 equal to 2 pi by 3. That is, tan inverse t equal to 2 pi by 12. That is pi by 6. Hence t equal to tan pi by 6. That is 1 by root 3. That is the value of minus x is 1 by root 3. That is x is minus 1 by root 3. As it was given that sum of all the solutions of this equation is this, hence I can say alpha minus 4 by root 3 is equal to 2 minus root 3 minus 1 by root 3. That is, alpha is equal to 4 by root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 minus 1 by root 3. That is, alpha is 2 minus root 3 plus 3 by root 3. That is equal to 2. Hence the value of alpha is